the Grand Resort. Welcome to this video. Today we're taking you on a walking tour of the Grand Resort in Hurghada, a beautiful hotel with stunning Arabian-style architecture, spacious pools, and a relaxing atmosphere. If you're planning a trip to Hurghada and looking for a hotel with a charming design, a large territory, and great facilities, this video is for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified every time we upload a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even better content for you. So let's step inside and take a closer look at the hotel. Location. Let's start by looking at the location of the Grand Resort in Hurghada. The hotel is located in the heart of Hurghada, one of Egypt's most popular resort cities on the Red Sea coast. One of the advantages of this location is its proximity to the airport. Hurghada International Airport is only about 5 kilometers, around 10 minutes by car, from the hotel, making it a convenient choice for travelers looking for a quick and easy transfer. Now, let's talk about the hotel itself. The Grand Resort covers an area of approximately 58,000 square meters, offering a spacious and relaxing environment. When it comes to the beach, guests have access to a shared private beach, which is located across the road. Stretching approximately 400 meters in length and 80 meters in width, the beach offers soft golden sand and stunning views of the Red Sea. The beach shared among the Grand Hotel, the Grand Resort, and the Grand Palace Hotel. Now let's start our walking tour of the hotel. We will begin outside the hotel at the main entrance, take a look inside the reception area, and then explore part of the hotel's beautiful territory, focusing on the area marked on the map. Let's go. Our walk begins just outside the hotel on Mamsha Promenade. This lively pedestrian area stretches between the Grand Hotels, and at first glance, you might not even realize that it's not officially part of the hotel grounds. The promenade seamlessly blends into the resort's elegant design, creating a welcoming and luxurious atmosphere. As we walk along, we're surrounded by beautifully maintained gardens, colorful flower beds, and decorative fountains. Every detail here is carefully arranged to enhance the charm of the area. The landscaping is lush and vibrant, making this a lovely place to take a stroll, relax, or simply enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Along the way, we come across several picturesque gazebos. And of course, we can't forget about the adorable resident cats that call this place home. It's common to see them relaxing near the gazebos or strolling along the pathways, adding to the cozy and welcoming feel of the promenade. Now, as we continue our walk, we approach the main entrance of the Grand Resort. Let's step inside and explore the beauty of this hotel's territory. Now we enter the reception area of the hotel. To the side, you can see the main reception desk. Here, you can check the prices for Wi-Fi. Additionally, there is an artist who can draw your portrait or sell you a finished painting. Nearby, there is an information desk with details about different activities and animation programs. Every day, various entertainment programs take place, but keep in mind that Saturdays are the animators' day off. Next to the information desk, there is a bar where you can order different drinks. A screen displays videos of the evening animation shows that take place in the hotel. Some premium drink options are also available for an additional charge. There is also a separate self-service station where you can get hot or cold beverages. As we continue through the reception area, we enter the next section. This is a large relaxation area with comfortable, soft chairs. The architecture here is beautiful and interesting, with columns in an ancient style. In the center of the hall, there is a grand piano. Above it, the ceiling is shaped like a dome and made of glass, allowing plenty of natural daylight to enter the space. This area also has cozy sofas, perfect for relaxing. There are menus available where you can choose drinks to order from the bar. As we walk further through the reception area, we see another bar where guests can order drinks. On one side, there is a tour desk where you can book excursions. On the other side, there is a jewelry shop. From this area, we will exit the reception and step into the hotel's inner grounds, where our walk will continue. As we exit the reception area, there is another bar. You can sit at the bar and enjoy a refreshing drink. Nearby, beautiful bougainvillea flowers are in full bloom. This area also has information stands from various tour operators. Now we begin our walk through this part of the hotel grounds. Here you can find many sun loungers, perfect for sunbathing and relaxing. There is also a small book stand where guests can borrow books for reading. Nearby, you will find the snack bar, a great place to take a break and unwind. Now, let's head to the pool. On this side, the pool is 1.3 meters deep. As we continue our walk, we take in the beautiful surroundings and approach another section of the pool, where the depth increases to 1.52 meters. From here, you get a stunning view of the hotel grounds. Moving forward, we reach the Nigma restaurant. During lunch, they serve pasta and pizza from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. In the evening, from 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m., it operates as an a la carte restaurant for dinner. The restaurant offers a beautiful view of the pool, making it a great spot to admire the scenery and take pictures. We continue our walk along well-paved paths, making it easy to stroll through the area. Here, you'll find another entrance to the pool. A little further, there is a stand where you can get a henna tattoo or even a permanent tattoo. The lush greenery around adds to the relaxing atmosphere. Here we find another bar on the hotel grounds, surrounded by tables and chairs where guests can sit comfortably. Sun loungers are also available, offering a great spot to relax by the pool. This area is also where the animation team hosts activities. There is another entrance to the pool here, with a depth of 1.6 meters. Nearby is one of the main restaurants, Marrakesh Restaurant. It operates as a buffet-style dining area, serving breakfast from 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and dinner from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. A separate stand provides information about the menu and dining services. This is the entrance to the restaurant, and some dishes are even prepared outside. From this area, there is another pool entrance with a depth of 1.5 meters. The views from here are truly stunning. As we continue, we cross a small bridge, which offers more breathtaking views of the restaurant and the hotel grounds. After crossing the bridge, we arrive at a small island surrounded by pools. Here you'll find the Island Bar, which serves barbecue in the evening from 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. During the day from 12:30 p.m. to 5 p.m., the bar serves a variety of drinks. This area offers spectacular views of the pools and the hotel grounds, making it an ideal spot to relax and take photos. Crossing another bridge, we leave the island area and return to a section with sun loungers. Here, the pool has a shallow entrance with a depth of 1.1 meters. As we continue walking, we find ourselves near the reception area again, marking the end of our tour. That brings us to the end of our walking tour around the Grand Resort. In this video, we explored the beautiful outdoor areas of the hotel, including its stunning swimming pools, lush gardens, and relaxing spaces. However, this was not a full review of the Grand Palace. We simply walked through its territory to get a glimpse of its surroundings. During our stay, we were actually staying at the Grand Hotel, which is located right next to the Grand Resort. If you're interested in a full review of the Grand Hotel, including rooms, dining, and beach access, we have a separate video covering all the details. As for the Grand Palace, we also walked around its grounds to see what it has to offer. This adults-only hotel has an elegant and tranquil atmosphere, and its design blends beautifully with the overall style of the Grand Hotel's complex. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly stay, a romantic getaway, or a lively resort with entertainment, there's something for everyone here. Thank you for joining us on this walk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next adventure.